Formally, to remove my background pictures, I have to go to removebg.com. I know there's where a lot of people go to get their background pictures removed for their thumbnail designs. Good news, you don't have to do that any longer because CapCut got you covered now. In today's video, I will teach you how to use it. Just keep on watching and learn. Before we go straight into the video, I will assume that you already have CapCut downloaded into your mobile phone. Either you're using iPhone, you're using Android, CapCut work for any devices. CapCut also have PC version, so go ahead and download CapCut to your phone. Now we can get started to remove that background picture. Hello my sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos just like this one, and vlogs. If this is your first time of coming across my channel and seeing my face, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I post a new video. I will always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating videos on this channel, and if you're doubting me, please go through my other videos. You will definitely learn something. In today's video, I will be talking about how to remove your background pictures in CapCut with just one click. Keep on watching to learn. Now all you have to do is to bring out your phone, go to your phone and go to CapCut app. Just click on CapCut app and it will bring you to that front interface that says new project, but don't click on new project. On the top interface you will see remove background. Click on it, then you select the picture you want to remove the background. When you tap on edit, it automatically selects your body frame. That is your picture, the picture you chose. To select the body frame, at this point you can play around with the size to match your taste. Okay, you can also play around with the option below to bring out the best for what you want and to match what you're going for. Also note that in those options you can also resize the picture and resize the frame to match the social media platform which you want to post it to. There's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube and the rest, so you can play around and match your taste. Okay, mind you, there's an option there to remove your background picture and you can also replace it with another background, a plain background in different colors. So you can choose a color to match what you want, or you can leave it plain and use it to design your thumbnail as you want. Okay, and use it to design whatever you want to design. When you're satisfied with everything you've done, just click on the mark icon and it will export the video, which will automatically save it straight to your phone gallery. You can go back there and view it and adjust to your liking. Okay, at this point sprinkles, this is the end of the video. I know you've gained value from this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Please subscribe and join this beautiful growing community. Don't forget to give this video a huge like. Your like goes a long way for my channel and it helps the video to go to other viewers. Please don't forget to share my video. It will notify YouTube algorithm to push the videos to viewers that would like to learn stuff, and this community will keep on growing and we will keep on learning. The more the merrier. Please don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Any questions you have, any other additional information you want to share with us, please leave it in the comment section. If you want me to film a video for you, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section and I will get to it. I love interacting with you guys, and please stay safe out there and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.